Question 21. The diagram is a circle center O. If angle SPRO is equal to 2M and angle SQRO is equal to N, express M in terms of N. Solution. From the diagram, 2M is equal to N angles in the same segment. To find M in terms of N simply means you should make M to stand alone. So divide through by 2. M is equal to N over 2. A is the correct option. Question 22. In the diagram, MQ is parallel ROS. Angle TUV is equal to 70 degrees and angle ROLV is 30 degrees. Find the value of S. To get S easily, this angle is needed so that S is a sum of 70 degrees and this angle. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. And to get this angle is needed with the help of this. That is what you have in the diagram. Now A is equal to 30 degrees, corresponding angles. B is equal to A, equal to 30 degrees, vertically opposite angles. Now S is equal to 70 degrees plus B. This is the reason. And S is equal to 70 degrees plus 30 degrees, and that is 100 degrees. C is the correct option. Question 23. In the diagram, MN, PQ, and ROS are three intersecting straight lines. Which of the following statement is or are true? Let's find that. But before then, you have it that T is equal to S from the diagram. Y is equal to N and M is equal to Z, vertically opposite angles. Now let's check. T is equal to Y. That is not true. S plus Y plus Z plus M. That means these four angles are on a straight line. That is not true. Now let's check this. S plus M plus N equal to 180 degrees. Okay. Now if you check this line, you have M plus Y plus S, and Y is equal to N. So you can replace Y with N. So this option is true. Let's check this. S plus N. S plus N is equal to M plus Z. That is not true. So we have this is the only true option, and that is option C. Question 24. If cos S plus 40 degrees is equal to 0.0872, what is the value of S? First, you need to get S plus 40 by taking inverse of cosine of both sides. You have it in this form. The inverse of cosine of this value is 84.99 degrees. So you have S plus 40 equal to that value. To get S, transfer this term to the other side, and you have S equal to 84.99 degrees minus 40 degrees, and that is 44.9 degrees. To the nearest degree, you have 45 degrees. D is the correct option. Question 25. A kite flies on a taut string of length 50 meters. It climbed at an angle of 54 degrees to the horizontal ground. The height of the kite above the ground is, so let's get that. From the information, you have this as the ground level. The kite flies on this string. You know, you'll be seeing it up when little children are doing their own kite. So if the kite is somewhere here, this is the height of the kite from the ground level. Considering the height h as opposite and 50 as hypotenuse, we must use sine. 54 degrees equal to h over 50, and h is equal to 50 sine 54 degrees as the height of the kite. B is the correct option. Question 26. The position of three ships P, Q, and arrow at C are illustrated in the diagram. The arrows indicate the north direction. The bearing of Q from P is 050 degrees, and angle PQ arrow is equal to 72 degrees. Calculate the bearing of arrow from Q. Bearing of arrow from Q, that is from this point to this point. Alright, so the diagram is adjusted to this form. Now if you indicate the cardinal points here, this angle 50 here is also 50, that is alternate angle. Now if here is 50 and the whole of this angle is 72 degrees, here becomes 22 degrees. The whole of this side is 180, and what you need is from here to this point. Already here is 22 degrees. The remaining part becomes 180 degrees minus 22 degrees, and that is 158 degrees. B is the correct option. Question 27. Given that the mean of the scores 15, 21, 17, 26, 18, and 29 is 21. Calculate the standard deviation of the scores. The scores we have here are on grouped data. So you use this formula to get the standard deviation. The mean is given to you in the question. So you represent the data with S so that you get S minus S bar. That is S minus mean. The mean is 21. So 15 minus 21 is minus 6. 21 minus 21 is 0, and so on. This part you need to square before you add. So if you square minus 6, you have 36. You square 0, 0. You square minus 4, 16, and so on. Summation means you add this column down and you have 150. Now you have 6 observations or 6 scores. Therefore, the standard deviation is equal to this. The summation of s minus s bar all squared is 150 divided by 6. That is root 25, and you have 5 as the standard deviation. C is the correct option. Question 28. A bag contains 4 red and 6 black balls of the same size. If the balls are shuffled briskly and 2 balls are drawn one after the other without replacement, find the probability of picking balls of different colors. So you have solution. Different colors means you have to consider the various possibility. You can get red and blue, or black, or you can get black or red. So you have it that the probability that different colors were picked are probability red and black, or probability black and red, and implies multiplication or implies addition. Total balls are 10. Remember, here the condition is without replacement. That means after picking 1 ball, the total will be affected before the next round of picking. So here red balls are 4. At this point the total is 10. So you have 4 over 10 times, before you pick black ball, the total is now 9. So times 6 over 9 plus, if you come here at this level of picking, the balls in the bag are still 10. The black there are 6. So you have 6 over 10 times, after picking, before picking red, the total remains 9 times 4 over 9. That simplifies to this. You add the like fractions, you add 24 and 24, you have 48 over 90, and that simplifies to 8 over 15. A is the correct option. The bar chart shows the frequency distribution of marks scored by students in a class test. Use the bar chart to answer questions 29 to 31 to 31. So let's start with 29. How many students are in the class? To get that, that is from the frequency column, axis of number of students. Those that score 1 mark, they are 6. Those that score 2 marks, they are 8. Those that score 3 marks, they are 6. Those that scored 4 marks, they are 4. Okay, they are 5. So if you add all the frequencies, it gives number of students, and that is 25. C is the correct option. Question 30, you are asked to calculate the mean of the distribution. Now the distribution involves marks and frequency. That is grouped data. The mean is obtained using summation fs over summation f. So for the first one, you have 1 times 6 plus 2 times 8 plus 3 times 6 plus 4 times 5 over 25, sum of frequency that we obtain in question 29. So if you multiply together, you have this result. If you add, you have 60 over 25. If you divide, you have 2.4 as the mean. C is the correct option. Peter calls simplified maths. If you are watching and view from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share PSM videos. If you are watching and view from Facebook, follow and like the page for more updates. Also share PSM videos.